Hi, my name is Aravind. I purchased a flat at Nikoo Homes. At the time I started the lookout for a new apartment, I also started looking for an interior designer. My prior home, actually, I'd done the design myself, and this time around I wanted a professional to do the interior design for me. When I decided to purchase a flat, at the same time I also started the lookout for an interior designer, and I'd almost finalized, shortlisted two companies. But just before finalizing, I thought, okay, let me try once more. Let me look at interior designers who had done work at Nikoo Homes, right? Because they'd have the experience and the understanding of the layout. So I started my search on YouTube, and I came across several videos of Creative Systems and Murali, and I thought the work was fantastic. So I reached out to Murali. He called me home. We sat down. We discussed the initial plan. And then we had multiple meetings after that, where I sort of put forward a high-level view of what I wanted. Murali was very receptive to all my suggestions. One of the areas that I wanted him to sort of focus on was creating a space within the house to sort of showcase some of the wildlife photography that I've done, right? So he took that idea away, and he and his daughter Nisha started the design process, and obviously the project manager Tasmia came in and helped with the complete execution of this project. So the last 2.5 months, they worked on my home as if it was their own. And it sort of shows in the quality of work that they've done. I'm really appreciative of all the work they've put in. Over the last 15 days or so is when the finishing touches were being put in, and they called me in and sort of got my inputs, and we made minor changes. And they were very supportive throughout the entire process. At the end of the day, I think it's very important for any sort of professional relationship where there is give and take in terms of the designer's idea and also the owner's perspective. And I think Creative Systems and Murali and team have found the perfect balance there. So thank you very much. When we first started, obviously it was a professional relationship, but over the last 2.5 months, it sort of turned into a friendship with Murali and his team. And I've seen that happen with all his prior clients. So I think that sort of an equation really helps the dynamics, and also the way that he and his team approach the project is therefore influenced, right? So they look at it as their own home, at their own project, and put 100% into sort of the build work. I want to thank Murali, Nisha and Tasmia for an excellent work done. Obviously Murali for his design and aesthetics, Nisha obviously helping out with all the design aspects of it, and Tasmia coming in and project managing everything from start to finish, right? She made sure that everything was done perfectly, and the end product I'm really happy with the end product. So thank you very much, and I wish you the very best for the future. I hope you continue to grow and design more homes. Thank you.